Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we have another brand new subscription. We are like rocking it out with subscription boxes this month. This month we are talking about Walmart, the beauty box that they have. So let's get in and let's get into the box. Okay guys, welcome back. So like I said, we have a new subscription that I haven't tried. It's probably been out there for a while, but this is the Walmart Beauty Box subscription. The cool thing about this one, it's totally free, but you're paying $5 each season for this box. So this one is the winter box. I've never tried this before. I've seen it all over YouTube, but I just never got around to getting it myself. So this is the way that it comes. So this is like you're gonna get this 4 times a year, and they will, oh, this is the fall box, sorry, because it says fall phase right here. And then it says, what do you see? It just says, if you hashtag Walmart Beauty Box, you can rate and review to enter to a $100 gift card. So that's right there. And then this is what the packaging looks like. So let's dive in and see what's in this box that I've never tried before. So the first thing I see here is this is a razor. This is from Chic Intuition. And like I do with every video, we'll put the information for the Walmart Beauty Box in the description box below so you guys can check it out and check these products out just to see if they're worth it for you. And of course, we'll have it on my blog too. So this is Chic Intuition. I don't see anywhere where there's like a full breakdown like subscription boxes usually give you. So that's okay. I'll have that in the description box below, the full breakdown of the prices so you guys can see if this is worth it. This is worth it alone because a razor is usually more than $5. So I say we got the value from this box just by that alone. The next item we have here is from a perfume. This is Lost in Paradise. This is from Sofia Vergara. So that's super cool. That's what that looks like there. And then let me see what this one smells like here. Give me 1 second. I don't know why I can't get it out of the packaging. So I have to rip it. All right, so what does it smell like? This has it just says Tropical Gardenia and Sensual Golden Woods. So that's what that says there. And knowing me, I will, okay. I was afraid I was gonna rip it. So let me see what that smells like. And of course I lose the cap, that's cool. All right, not bad. It has a soft scent to it, so not bad at all. So this is, again, this is what the bottle looks like, and I'll put the retail value in the description box below, but it smells good, so it's definitely worth it. The next item we have here is from Nivea. This is oil infused body lotion. So this is a coconut one. So this is what the full product would look like there, but you get a sample of it right here. And then what is this? Not too sure what this is. I just see a pamphlet. I don't know. It doesn't give me any information. It's just a pamphlet. So we'll put that to the side. And then this is from Neutrogena. This is Blackhead Eliminating Strip to Scrub. So I love these. I don't know if you guys remember back in the day, that's what this is. You put on your nose and then you strip your nose clear. So that's what that is there, but we'll put the description in so you guys can check that out to see what that one is worth. And the next item we have here, this is NYX Professional Makeup. And this is a full-size product here. So this is a lip liner. Is it? It's a matte retouching shade Teddy. That's what I have here. And then let me see if we can open that up and try to get an idea of what the color is. It looks like it's like a taupe color, but we will take a look and see what that one is. Let me see. Kind of too pink for me, but maybe I can mix it with something else. I mean, it was not, it doesn't look like that if you look at it to my skin tone. I mean, it kind of does, but maybe it's like kind of really pink, but too much, but we will figure it out. We'll work with it. And then last but not least, oh, this is where the earth to skin, maybe they should have put this together. So it's this is where it's coming from. So this is a honey manuka sheet mask. This is calming, moisturizing, soothing sheet mask. So that's what that is. And on the back, it tells you what it is. So let us take a look to see if this one was actually worth it. So we have the honey sheet mask, which we have there. And then we did get a full-size product. This is from NYX, what is this? NYX Lingerie. Never heard of that. And then we have the Chic Intuition Fab. So we have that there. And then we have Neutrogena Blackhead Eliminating. We have a sample of that. And then we also have the sample of from Nivea. This is the body lotion. So we have that. And then we have the perfume sample. So what did you guys think? Do you guys get the Walmart Beauty box? Was it worth it? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. I think it was worth it. I've never tried any of those products. So I think to save just for $5, it's not bad at all. So with that being said, you guys enjoy the rest of your day and we'll see you on the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss it. So have a good day, guys.